Sitting hunched over a static office desk for hours on end can lead to chronic lower back pain, neck stiffness, and a massive mid-afternoon productivity slump. For remote workers and office professionals looking to introduce dynamic movement into their workday without completely replacing their expensive existing furniture, standard manual desk risers often present a frustrating hurdle with jerky movements and unstable platforms. The Vari VariDesk Pro Plus 36 adjustable desk converter completely reinvents your daily work setup, transforming any traditional tabletop or cubicle surface into an ergonomic sit-stand workstation. Draped in a professional matte black finish, this premium dual-tiered riser arrives at your doorstep fully assembled and ready to go straight out of the box, completely eliminating the headache of complex instructions or missing hardware tools. The standout engineering feature of the Pro Plus 36 is its smooth, patented spring-assisted rowing lift mechanism, which works in tandem with a dual-handle actuation system. Instead of physically wrestling with heavy lifting or dealing with sudden drops that can rattle your expensive electronics, the rowing motion pulls up and out slightly toward your body as it rises, keeping your center of gravity perfectly balanced. This heavy-duty frame is engineered with 11 distinct height settings that lock securely into place, letting you effortlessly tailor your workspace height to your exact physical comfort zone in seconds. To support a healthy typing posture, the converter features a signature dual-tiered layout with a spacious upper deck that accommodates two 24-inch monitors or a laptop setup, alongside a lower keyboard tray that keeps your mouse and keyboard aligned at an optimal angle to prevent wrist fatigue. Physical durability and rock-solid stability serve as the absolute foundation of the Vari architecture. Built around a heavy, weighted steel base plate, the converter remains completely rigid and wobble-free even when extended to its maximum height, meaning you can type vigorously or lean on the surface without worrying about shifting, shaking, or accidental tips. The durable laminate surface is scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean, comfortably supporting a total weight capacity of up to 35 pounds of premium desktop gear. Furthermore, the out-of-the-box, plug-and-play functionality makes it an exceptional, zero-friction upgrade for corporate workspaces, student study rooms, and home offices alike. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from the physical drag of a sedentary lifestyle, protect your spine from daily strain, and claim a heavy-duty, dual-tiered sit-stand assistant that drops effortlessly onto your existing desk without a single minute of assembly time, this 36-inch adjustable converter is the ultimate health and productivity upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are setting this up to beat afternoon fatigue or upgrading your current home office layout, and I will see you in the next video.